In today's video, we will show you how to block spam calls on your iPhone so you can enjoy peace of mind. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable silent unknown callers. Go to Setting and tap on Phone. Then scroll down to Silence Unknown Callers and switch it on. After you turn it on, this will send call from number not in your contact straight to voicemail. Step 2. Block specific number. How to do this? Open the phone app on your iPhone. Then you can find the number you want to block in your recent call list. Tap the eye icon here next to the number and then scroll down and tap block this caller. After you tap, you can confirm it by block contact. Step 3. Use a call blocking app. You can download a call blocking app from the App Store, such as Hia or Truecaller. After you download it, you can open and follow the app's instruction to set up call blocking and filtering. And that's it. You now learn how to block spam calls on your iPhone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips. See you in the next video and have a nice day.